Hello, everyone, and today is my 25th day doing 30-day English speaking challenge from Teacher Board. And today is Saturday, and I not talk about a habit or about my reading. Or today is more like free. Um, but every day I read my book Seven Money Habits to Living the Life You Want. That's very interesting book. And today I want to talk about another topic like always about habits because I know habits are strong if we have the positive habits. But today I want to talk about hobbies. How does reading help me to get new knowledge, and how those concepts, how those ideas help me to learn English because read open your mind, because when you read you get ideas, you get experience from old people. And so that is amazing because you don't need get those experience for yourself if you can have this experience reading a book. So that is very interesting. It's very powerful in your different areas of your life, in your health, in your career, in your relationship, in your money. So all that is very, very, very interesting. Um, so today I read about. What is this? Is coding is a superpower. So it's interesting because I was thinking how I can improve more my vocabulary, and so we have different strategy to improve our vocabulary, like read and listening podcasts, shadowing, and so we have different ways to improve our or or English skills. So, but today I was reading about coding is a superpower. So it's very interesting because some days ago doing my reading, I was reading my paragraph and then I tried to explain to yeah, so I try to explain that this paragraph with my own ideas to know what understand, if I understand something or not. So it's very interesting because at the beginning it was difficult try to explain the same with another word, with my own words, but it's a very good strategy to improve whatever thing. Also, in my own career, like a software engineer, so I have been learning new things, and I can think about that because at the beginning, when I have a new topic to learn to understand, so the first step is investigate about that. So it's read about this new topic and go to the official documentation, read the blogs, and then get the examples. And so how that if it is maybe a new language program, so it's like get a code and try to run this code in my local environment, so then understand what is it doing. And so with that I can get the concept, and so I go again at the documentation to read about a specific function, for example. And so then I try to, or I search for a video for explanation in YouTube or in whatever other website I can find. So it's a very interesting way I have because my first step is investigate about that, then try to test, then do testing, so read again, so then I can ask another developer with more experience, or I can watch videos in YouTube or whatever website, and so finally I can reply again, or I can test again my code, and so with that I can complete my knowledge. So that is very in the powerful for me because with that I can learn. I have been learning new knowledge. Yeah, so today I was reading about coding is a powerful, and so the reading is like this. Understanding coding is a weapon. So I don't at the beginning I didn't remember the meaning of weapon, but right now, yeah, it's like okay, we have um to be winner in whatever area. So understanding coding is a weapon. So we have a weapon. We have a weapon because, for example, if we want, for example, if your boss give you a task, so in Excel, for example, using Excel, or yeah, so you have a list of clients, and maybe it will be 100 clients with different amount of sales, for example. And so if your boss have a report about that, and so you have this information in Excel, but if you don't understand coding, or if you don't understand technology like Excel, or in our case whatever language programming, so you can expand many times doing your report, but if you understand coding, if you understand technology, so you can do that in a few minutes. So it's our weapon when we understand coding. Talking about coding, so it's like a superpower. Yeah, it's very interesting because when we are writing code, so we feel very motivated when all is working well. But when we have problem, when we have bugs, so that's very very bad. It's better than a superpower, yeah, and so that's very interesting when we are working. When we are working with when we are writing code, because we can do amazing things. So we can think about that, and so that is very 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 motivated. So today uh, I learned this new word weapon, and fascinated, because when I am writing code I feel very fascinated, because I think, wow, I can do that, or I can change the life of many workers, for example, with our system, with our application. So or in my case, I feel very fascinated about coding when I am coding. Uh, so when I understand that, so that's very interesting, because we can know how the everything is working. So yeah, so that is very very interesting. So today I understand those words: weapon and fascinated, and also technology. So those are my new vocabulary I get today. Yeah, so I want to talk with you about that. So today was more free to talk about whatever topic. So it's a pleasure, and I feel more happy. I feel more motivated because every day I am improving, maybe making mistake, but we don't make mistake when are learning something. So whoever make mistake when at beginning learning something new, but that is the idea: is make mistake, correct or change your plan and continue working on that. So it was my pleasure. I hope you're doing well and you're improving your knowledge, and you can get auto motivation, and don't stop, don't give up whatever thing you're learning. So it's a pleasure, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.